Hi children, today's session will start. Yesterday we discussed so many sums, and regarding that introduction of the quadratic equation and all we discussed, and we solved so many sums yesterday. Now yesterday we solved which is the quadratic equation, the given equation is quadratic equation or not, that and all we found. After that, for that some solutions and all they will give. With the help of that, this one we will justify either it is the solution of this quadratic equation or not, like that. And discriminant, by using the discriminant nature of the roots also we found. After that we found which one, suppose some unknown values and all we found, either it is a coefficient or it will be any variable, that and all we found. Today the factorization method and all we will discuss. Factorization method and all, how to solve the sums and all we will discuss today. Now the first question is here, x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0 is there. That we have to write here first. First question, x square minus 10x minus 24 equals to 0. Now you can solve. Here the factorization method, first we have to do always factorization method. Now the given equation, it contains always quadratic equation in 3 terms, the first term, second term and third term. Here the product of 2 terms we will do. It means extreme terms. Extreme terms is first term and third term we can call as a extreme terms. That x square into 24 is 24 x square we will write. Now here minus is there, here plus is there, that product if you do plus into minus is minus. Now if you multiply the two numbers means it will come 24 x square. In that time any two factors, if suppose if you take and multiply means that product will get 24, and the two terms if you do sum means it will come always should be, what is that, 10x have to come, like that. Here we will use, for that we will do factorization like that. How it will be do, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, again 2 6s are. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 4 plus 6, suppose if you do addition means how much it will come, 10 will come. That is why we will write 4 and 6, here x will write, here x will write, here what we have to do here, here it will come plus it is, here also plus, now it is plus, here both it will be minus. Now we will do here, you can write this one, x square minus, what is that, 4x minus 6x minus plus 24 equals to 0. That is, this is rough work, ours it is a rough work, this is a rough work, minus into minus plus, 4 into 6 is 24, x into x is x square, that we will do now here. Now just we have to take now common, here the x is the common, if you take x common means x minus 4 will be remaining here, here minus 6 if you take common means here also it will be x minus 4, it will be a common, equals to 0 will write, equals to 0 will write. Equals to 0 will write. Now this one just x minus 4 will take common here, x minus 4 if you take common means here x minus 6 will write is equal to 0. Now just x minus 4 equals to 0 1, here x minus 6 equals to 0 1 more. Now transposing, x equals to 4 and x is equal to 6. This is a two solutions here. One is 4, one is 6. Understood now? Now the same procedure we have to repeat for that some different way they will give quadratic equations to us, different way. Sometimes they will give fractions, sometimes they will give what that directly they will give, sometimes they will give decimals, sometimes they will apply conditional identities and they will give to us with different that multi or that different type of quadratic equations and all will give. Whatever the type they will give, first we have to write in the form of quadratic equation, that we can convert in the form of quadratic equation. After that we have to find the solution of the quadratic equation. So, this is very important. After finding the first we have to convert that in the quadratic equation form. We have to write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. After that we have to solve the sum. The same the second sum, second one, the solution of that one we have to do this one. First we have to write 6 by x is equal to 1 plus x is there, 1 plus x. This is a second sum. Now we have to solve this one. We will write 6 by x is equal to 1 plus x. Now here the fraction is what is single fraction it is, that denominator of the fraction we transpose to RHS side means it will become numerator. It means 6 is equal to x into 1 plus x it will become. Now we will multiply this means here it will become x, what this is, x into 1 is x plus x into x is x square, this is 6. Now here this one we will write the LHS complete, you can write RHS side, RHS complete you can write LHS side. Now this one you can write x plus x square is equal to 6. Now you can write order this one, x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is in the form of, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in the form of that. Now we have to solve. We have to solve this one, x square plus this one we will solve now. We have to write here, once again I will write this one, x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Here we will take 6 into x square is 6x square, plus into minus is minus. Now if you take factors of this means is just you have to write 6, 2 3 is a 6, 3 minus 2 it will come, how much it is, 1 will come, 1x is there here. Now here positive sign is there, that is why bigger number you have to write positive, here you can write minus, just you have to write x, this one you have to write x. Just you have to substitute now x square, in the place of x you should write 3x minus 2x you should write, 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now here now see here x if you take common means x plus 3 it is. Now minus 2 if you take common means here also it will come x, 2 3 is a, how much it is, 2 3 is a 6. Now x plus 3 if you take common means x minus 2 will be remaining is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 equals to 0 is 1 and x minus 2 equals to 0, one more. Now x equals to minus 3, this is x equals to 2. These are the solution of that is given quadratic equation. This is the one solution, this is a one more solution. This is the way of solving of quadratic equation. Now this type of different type they will ask, some questions and all they will ask to us, let us say x belongs to natural numbers, x belongs to whole numbers, x belongs to integer, they will ask rational number, irrational, otherwise they will ask to real number they will tell to us, the different way they will ask to us. But got it now all of you, understood this one? This is the way of solving, just we have to denominator one, it will come transposed to RHS side means it will be numerator we can multiply to the given binomial, given binomial we will multiply means x into 1 is x, x into x is x square, plus into plus is plus, just the complete RHS we wrote LHS side, complete LHS we wrote RHS side, afterwards we transposing here, this is in the form of what is that, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that we go over that we solve the quadratic equation in a factorization method. Now we are solving factorization method. Yesterday only I said very clearly, this any quadratic equation we have to solve 4 different methods. One is what that, factorization method, one is formula method, second one is formula method, third one is complete square method, fourth one is graphical method. This is the 4 different way we will solve the method, but in your syllabus it will be one is factorization, otherwise formula method, only the 2 possibilities for you, only two options, either for that this one the compulsory they will tell you have to the given quadratic equation you have to solve, find the roots of 2 significant figures or 3 significant figures and all they will ask to you, that we have to do. According to formula we will go means we will solve that one and all. In that time compulsory you have to use your Clark table and you have to sort out the problem. For that the given the prime numbers what the square roots and all we need to easily we have to find the Clark table, even examination all also they will allow to Clark table and all, do not worry about that. The what that some prime number, some decimal number, square roots and all easy to find by using Clark table and all. Now we have to go for third one. Now we have to go for third one. Third one is here, third one 2x square plus minus 9x, 2x square minus 9x and plus 10 equals to 0, plus 10 equals to 0. After that what they gave, when x belongs to natural number, when x belongs to integer, what that x belongs to rational number, they are raising questions to us. X belongs to natural number and x belongs to rational number. One is rational number, one is natural number, like that they gave this one for us. Now just we have to write for this one. Question number 3 is 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 49. This one the given quadratic equation without without applying conditional identity also we will solve this one, without applying conditional identity. How we will solve means, just we have to square root, we will apply both the side means we can solve, that is also very easy. And otherwise we have to extend, 2 methods also we will solve. First just the given, just you have to write the given quadratic equation we will write as it is, 2x square minus 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 49. For this square root on both sides will do, square root on both sides. Square root on both sides if you do means same, 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 49, square roots you should apply both the sides. Now square and root will cancel, 2x minus 3 is equal, square root of 49 is 7, that we will write plus or minus 7. One is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7, one more is 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Now 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, this is 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 3. Now it is 10, 2x is equal to 10, it is 2x is equal to minus 4. Now x is equal to 10 by 2, that one x is equal to minus 4 by 2, it means minus 2 x is equal to, this is x is equal to 5. Now the alighter, Alaiter means one more method for the same sum. Alaiter, it means the conditional identity we have to apply for this. What is this? You have to write 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 49. Now just we have to apply for this, what is this? 2x whole square plus 3 square minus 2 into 2x into 3 is equal to 49. Now 2x whole square means 4x square plus 9 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12x is equal to 49. Now 49 you can transpose this side, 4x square plus 9 minus 12x minus 49 is equal to 0. Now 4x square minus 12x, this is a plus 9, this is minus 49. If you subtract means minus 40, y means opposite sign is there means you can subtract is equal to 0. The given equation divisible by 4 we can do, divided by 4, divided by 4 if you do means 4 ones are 4, that is why we will write only x square, sorry minus is there, minus as it is, 4 ones are 4 3s are 3x minus 10x, 10 is equal to 0, minus 10 equals to 0. Now here 10 into x square, 10x square it is, minus into plus, minus. For this 10 we can take factors. What is the factors? 5 2s are 10, otherwise 2 5s are 10. Just we have to write 2 5, x, the here minus we will write, here plus we will write. Y means bigger number here what is there? 3 is there. 5x minus 2x is 3x, greater number sign is 3, greater number sign is minus, that we have to write. Now x square minus, what is this? If you write minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. This minus 3x we can write in the form of, what is that? Minus 5x plus 2x. Okay. Suppose you have 5 rupees means, that we can tell what that 10 minus 5 rupees I have, otherwise what you have to tell, what that 5 rupees you have means, that we have to tell in the form of some splitting way. Splitting way how we will tell, suppose 8 minus 3 rupees I have 8 rupees, that we have to, I gave somebody 3 rupees, the rest of the amount I have, like that you can tell the 5 rupees amount. Suppose you have 5 rupees amount means, I have 8 rupees, somebody asked me, in that time I gave 3 rupees to him, the remaining amount I have, how much I have in that time? Obviously we will tell 5 rupees. That is the way of, the same similarly we are writing this and all in quadratic equation, the same still we are writing. Now here x if you take common means x minus 5 plus 2 if you take common means x minus 5 equals to 0. Now x minus 5 if you take common means x plus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 5 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 5. That answer and this answer, just you have to compare both the answers, it will be same. It is a lighter. Some sums and all, even if you solve in what that this and all in formula method also it will come same answer. If you are the graphical method also you can solve in, it is compulsory, it required graph. If you solve that method also it will come same answer it will come. Now we can go for the question number 4. Understood now? Now we can go for question number 4. The question number 4 is 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. That is this one quadratic equation. They gave for us quadratic equation for that. Two x square minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. The condition is when x belongs to natural numbers and x belongs to rational number. This is two possibilities, two possible solutions we have to give for the given quadratic equation. Here the procedure completely it will be same. What the previous sums and all we solved, same procedure we have to follow. At the end when we will write now the given condition, the relevant condition, by using that we have to write our final solution set. Now solution here 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. Now for this just we have to multiply same our procedure, 2 times 20 x square as it is plus as it is. Now here it is 9 is there, 9 how it will come, we know 9, 5 4 is 20 only, 5 4 is how much, 20, both it will be minus x minus into minus plus, 5 4 is 20, x into x square. You can write directly now 2x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 10 equals to 0. Now just we have to take common x here, the remaining is 2x minus 5 minus, here if you take 2 common, how we will write this, you can write 2 into 2x plus this is 2 into 5 is equal to 0, this is 2 into 5, otherwise that 5 you can write like that, 2 into 5, if you are getting confusion means. Now next step we can write x into 2x minus 5 minus this 2 if you take common means here 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This plus in the form of minus into minus, one minus will come outside means one more minus will be remaining here. That is a procedure. 2x minus 5 if you take common means x minus 2 equals to 0. Here 2x minus 5 equals to 0, x minus 2 equals to 0, x is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2. That is all the answer. Again they are asked to us, what they asked here, say first condition, when x belongs to rational, when x belongs to n means we have to write x is equal to 2 only, 2 we got, that is only a natural number, but it is not belongs to natural number group, that is very important, that this is a fraction form, that is why it is not belongs to natural number group. You know the natural numbers is what, whole number is what, and integers and all. Natural numbers means only countable numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that it will be. Whole numbers means 0 1 2 3, including 0 countable numbers you can call as a whole numbers. Here they gave for rational numbers. Rational number means p by q form. Now when x belongs to q, it is a what is that? This is a rational number. Now what we have to write, x is equal to 2 will write and 5 by 2 also will write, 5 by 2 also will write. Here 2 how will come is, nothing is there means down 1 should be, it is a understood only. Here what that, natural number is a subset of whole number is a subset of integer, integer is a subset of rational numbers. But this is different. The q minus means irrational number is different. This complete group we can call as a real numbers. This complete set we can call as a real numbers. Understood, no? Natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integer. Integer is a subset of rational number. This is one group, and that irrational number will not belongs to in this, that is q minus. But this complete set we can call as a real number. It means according to this, see, if this is rational number means obviously it is a natural number also. Rational number means it is a, this is a father of this. All the three sets belongs to in rational number group. That you have to understand first very clearly. Got it now? Now we can go for fifth question. Question number 5. Question number 5. They gave everything in fraction only. Question number 5 they gave fraction. That fractions we are solving. That we have to convert in the form of quadratic equation. Either it is possible we can solve in a, what is that, factorization method. It is impossible, we can go formula method. That is like our Apat Bandhava. Suppose we are in what is that tough situation. If you know the formula means compulsory, very easy to solve the that sum. That is very, very important. Algebra, it is a simplest form of a arithmetic. Arithmetic, just we are using some numericals and all we will practice, but in algebra some letters, all small letters we will use and we will practice here. This one. Now fifth one, question number 5. X minus 2 minus 3 by x plus 6 is equal to 4 by x. This is a question. Now for this we will take first LCM of this one. LCM we will take. What is LCM means? Here down both the denominators it will be a binomials. That is why that product you can write down. That product what you have to write? X minus 2 into x plus 6. This x plus 6 we can multiply to 5. Minus 3 into this x minus 2 will multiply to what? 3. This 4 by x you can write as it is. 4 by x we can write as it is, we have to write. Now 5 into x, 5x, 5 6 is 30, minus 3x, minus into minus, plus 3 2 is 6. Now this is, we can multiply x into x plus 6, minus 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 4 by x it is. Here just what that LCM means, we know the binomial LCM and all how we will take and all. Just this, which one? The second fraction denominator we can multiply to first numerator, and first denominator we will multiply to second numerator. That we will write the sign and all as it is. After that we will multiplying here this one and all. 5 into x 5x, 5 6 is 30, minus 3x plus 3 2 is 6. Here we will write 5x minus 3x is equal to how much it is? 2x. 30 plus 6 is 36. Down x into x, x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 4 by x. Now here we will write this one what we have to write? 2x plus 36 by x square plus 4x, 6x minus 4x, 6x minus 2x is 4x minus 12 is equal to 4 by x. Now, 2 if you take common means here, 2 if you take common, here x plus 18, down we have to write as it is. What is this? X square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 4 by x. Now, again 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now, x plus 18 into x is equal to 2 into x square plus 4x minus 12. Now, just multiplication, cross multiplication we done here. X square plus 18x, x square plus 18x is equal to 2x square plus 2 4 the 8x minus 24. Now, that we can write this side 2x square plus 8x minus 24 is equal to x square plus 18x, x square plus 18x, that we can transfer this side 2x square minus x square plus 8x minus 18x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now, it is a 2x square minus 1x square, x square, 8x plus 8x minus 18x means minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now, we have to write what you have to write 6 za, 6 4 za how much? 24, 6 4 za, otherwise 12 2 za, 12 2 za 24, x square plus 12x, sorry minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. 12 2 za, 12 2 za 24. Now, x if you take common means x minus 12 plus 2 if you take common means x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, x minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 12 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 12, x equals to minus 2, x equal to 12, x equal to minus 2. After this, see this is like that they will give for some for you, just what that, suppose little bit speed and all if you feel means, just I will repeat once again this one, just the steps and all. What that I said, this second denominator will multiply to this, first denominator multiply to this, just I wrote 5 into x 5x, 5 6 are 30 minus 3x and minus into minus plus 3 2 are 6, down we wrote as it is, x by using x we multiplied this and by using minus 2 we multiplied to this one, and what is that, x into x x square, x into 6 6x minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 6 are 12 we wrote down, here 2x plus 3x is 36 is there, down 6x minus 2x is what is that, 4x is there, x square as it is, this 12 as it is, this 4 by x is as it is, that we take 2 common, x plus 18 it will become 2 ones are 2 twos are we cancel, this 2 we multiply to this, we multiply to this x we multiply to this one here, x into x x square plus 18x is equal to x square plus 4x, 2 4 the 8x, 2 4 the 8x and 2 12 the 24. Now, just we repeated once again, this complete RHS we wrote this side, this complete LHS we wrote that side, just transposing 2x square minus x square is x square plus 8x minus 10x minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. just 12 twos are. Suppose 6 fours also will come here. 6 fours will come means here minus is there, again it is a getting problem and all. Factorization method we can't that one. Again what that? Here the factors one side it will come minus, one side it will come plus something and all it will come. That is why it is a problem to us. 12 twos it will go. 12 twos are. X minus 12, 12 minus 12x, 12 twos are 24, minus 12x plus 2 is 10x. You will take common, this means x is common means x minus 12 will be, and 2 if you take common means x minus 12 remaining, x minus 12 will take common means x plus 2, x minus 12 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to 12, x equal to minus 2, 2 solutions we will get for this. Next we are going for next one. Sometimes they will give solution directly, in that time we have to frame the quadratic equation. Solutions they will give, in that time we have to make the quadratic equation and all. That is also very easy. Just we will go for reverse. What we are coming now? First what that, using quadratic equation and all we are finding the solution. Just we will use solution, we will frame the quadratic equation. That is a procedure here. Reverse manner we are going now. Reverse manner we are going and we are doing. That's all. Reverse manner. Now the solution what they gave, solution set is, solution set is 2, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3 they gave. Here how we will take, just you have to write, by using this quadratic equation we have to find the quadratic equation they are asking to us. Now we will write minus 2, 3, just we have to write flower bracket you can put, flower bracket. Now x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. Now x plus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to, x minus 3 equals to 0. After this both equal to 0 means we will write product, x plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0, both equal to 0, no, that is why we will write product 0 into 0, 0, this is also we will write. Now by using x you can multiply it to x minus 3 and plus 2, by using plus 2 you can multiply it to x minus 3 equals to 0. Now x into x, x square minus 3x plus 2x. Now x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. The given quadratic equation is this. See, by using the solution we have to find the quadratic equation. Before and all they are giving for this form, by using this we are finding for this and all, but the solution is this is. Now at end we are writing the solution set, for that and all 2 values, 2 roots we are getting, previous and all the given equation we will get 2 roots. Here the any quadratic equation always we are getting 2 roots, there is no doubt for that. Simple equation we will get only 1 root. The perfect quadratic equation and the pure quadratic equation also will get 2 roots, one is positive, one is negative, that is different. But here it is a 0, both it will be a 0. What that? The given quadratic equation is this is the given quadratic, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in the form of, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is equation. Now that next formula method. Next we have to go for formula method. The formula method is seventh one. Here formula method. First, what is this? X square minus 8x plus 5 equals to 0. They gave for us this equation. Now for this we have to write, this is in the form of the given quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx zero. Now we will write a is equal to 1. In the place of a, nothing is there means 1. In the place of b is equal to minus 8. In the place of c, what is there? 5. Now our formula, what is the formula? X equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac 2a. Now minus b value is minus 8 plus or minus, b square is minus 8 whole square 4, a value is 1, c value is 5, 2, a value is 1. Now minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus root 8 square means 64. This is 5 4s are 20 by 2 1s are 2. 8 plus or minus think 4, 6 minus 2 is 44. This is 2. This we can write 8 plus or minus 4 into 11. This is 2. This will write 8 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 11 by 2. Now after this we will take common 2. If you take common means 2 4s are plus or minus root 11 by 2. Therefore our answer is 4 plus or minus root 11. That is our answer. That is our answer. After this you can go for one more formula. one more formula, one more sum. We have to go for one more sum. Now the sum is second sum. X square 2x square. They gave 2x square minus 10x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a second one for us. Same formula we will apply here. Same, what is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac formula we will write here. Just we will write the given equation, the given quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 5. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus b value is minus 10 plus or minus root minus 10 whole square minus 4 into ac. A value is 2, c value is 5. 2 into what is that? We have to write what is that a value? A value is how much it is? 2. We have to write as it is. Minus into minus, what is that? Plus 10 plus or minus 100. 10 square is 100. 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. This is 2 2s are 4. Now x equals to 10 plus or minus 60 by 4. This we will write plus or minus 4 15s are. 4 15s are how much it is? 60. 4. Now we can take common. 10 square root of 4 is 2 root 15 by 4. By 4 just we have to take common 2. 2 will take common means 2 5 is a plus or minus root 15 by 4. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are, this is I can write 5 plus or minus root 15 by 2. That's all. This one is, that's all.